What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode. And boy, do I have a great video in store for you today. I'm showing you how to style this hairstyle. Let's get started. So guys, like I said in the intro, today I'm going to show you how to style the messy undercut hairstyle. So this hairstyle does not consist of a lot of volume. It's just a really nice, messy, textured look, a really relaxed look. This is great for the weekends, going out with your friends if you still want to look cool, but not too put together. This is a really awesome hairstyle. And the two products that I'm going to be using for this hairstyle are some of my favorites. They are the Pete and Pedro Salt and the Pete and Pedro Putty. And I've used these hair products in the past to achieve a lot of volume with my hairstyle, but I'm not going to be using them that way today. I'm using the sea salt spray to create a lot of texture in my hair, a lot of grit, a lot of, I guess, like that rough feeling hair, if you know what I mean by that. And I'm also going to use just a little bit of the putty to get some of that breakage in my hair, that fingers through your hair type of look. That's what this product is perfect for. And that's pretty much what this hairstyle consists of the most, is that fingers through your hair, messy kind of look. So since my hair is relatively dry right now, I'm going to go ahead and with the sea salt spray and moisten it up. I'm going to get a nice coating throughout my hair. So the way that I found to make the Pete and Pedro Salt most effective is to let my hair get almost completely dry. Like let it air dry almost all the way, or towel dry it to where it's almost completely dry. And then I go in and completely resaturate my hair with the sea salt spray. That way it doesn't get diluted by my hair already being wet. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the Pete and Pedro Putty. Now again, like I said, I'm not trying to get a whole lot of volume here, so I'm only gonna use just a little bit of this product, but I'm gonna try and distribute it through my hair as evenly as I possibly can. Not too much in the front, not too much in the back, but more so directed in this middle area, and then kind of, work it throughout. And as you can see, I'm not getting very much of this product, just a little bit, just about a dime size, if not a little bit less. And I'm gonna break it up in my hand, just like that. And you can see how this product breaks up in clumps almost. It's a very gelatinous type of product, if that makes sense. It almost takes a good bit of emulsifying to break it down. Once it's broken down and warms up in your hands, it breaks up like very easily. It's almost gone. So again, I'm gonna cross my hands across the top of my head just like this to make sure that I'm getting a lot of this product right here in the midsection of my hair. And as I work towards the front, I'm sort of mixing it in with the mid part of my hair so that I can bring some of that product forward. By starting in the middle like that, it's gonna allow me to evenly distribute it towards the back and then towards the front too. All right, so now that I've got the product worked all the way through my hair, I am gonna go in with the hair dryer, not to achieve volume, but to create texture. I'm gonna blow the entirety of my hair forward, and as I'm blowing it forward, I'm gonna create a little bit of texture, blowing it the opposite side. You'll see, but the idea here is not to create volume, it's just to use the hairdryer to add a little bit more texture than I already have. And this is the final result. What do you think? Do you like this hairstyle? It's not very hard. It's very simple to do. It's relaxing. It's really cool for everyday wear. And again, like, it just looks like you put in a little bit of effort, but not too much, which is what I think makes it really cool. And as you can see, like, I have a ton of texture on the top here. I have a little bit on the front, and I sort of just pulled my hair over to the side because that's the way that my hair naturally likes to go. I just pulled it over to the side, created a little bit more texture on the top of my hands, as you guys just saw, and that's pretty much it. This hairstyle took me like 5 minutes to do. It takes absolutely minimal effort, and it looks absolutely killer. You don't even have to use the Pete and Pedro. Like, you could use any sea salt spray, any matte finish product, and a hair dryer, or without a hair dryer, and achieve a very similar look. But if you guys want to check out the Pete and Pedro stuff, I will link it in the description for you to check out. They usually have really good discounts, really good deals, and the products are very high quality. All right guys, so that wraps it up for today's video. This is a sick bracelet, right? Let's run today's video sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. So guys, if you have not heard about Rose Gold and Black, they are an amazing men's accessory company. They make some of the most high quality jewelry for some of the best prices on the market. I literally wear their stuff every single day, including this two-tone bead bracelet from their signature black collection, as well as many more necklaces and bracelets from their website. It is some of my favorite pieces, and they literally go with any style, any outfit, anytime. So if you guys want to check out Rose Gold and Black, there will be a link in the very top of the description. It will take you to the Rose Gold and Black landing page, where everything on that page is already discounted for you. You don't have to enter any type of discount codes, nothing like that. It's already done. Click that link, head over to rosegoldandblack.com and get yourself some of the most high quality jewelry on the market. All right, and now that wraps it up for today's video, guys. If you like this content, hit that subscribe button down below. Join the crew family if you have not already. We are growing every single day, and I have some incredible content on the way for you guys, so stay tuned. You'll want to hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of it all. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up down below. Drop your comments in the comments section, and I will see you guys next Friday. I'm out.